Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And today we have the absolute pleasure of bringing to market this stunning piece of German performance engineering. So what we see in front of us here is the Audi R8 FSI V10 Performance Carbon Black Edition. This is finished in the Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paintwork, and it's complemented perfectly with a full black leather upholstered R8 bucket seats. And of course we'll be having a close look at those in just a moment when we head indoors. So this vehicle certainly does speak for itself with regards to its heritage and performance, and that incredible V10 engine producing 610 horsepower and getting you from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So an absolutely incredible piece of machinery, this one. And we have some wonderful specification to mention, and of course an absolutely stunning condition, both exterior and interior. So this vehicle, having covered only 15,286 miles, comes to us with a full Audi service history. It has that outstanding specification and £5,000 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now, just before mentioning the equipment, the initial service on the vehicle, which was done in November 2022 at just over 15,000 miles, and of course that was carried out at Audi. Now, the specification we'll be checking on this vehicle in just a moment. On the interior we have £3,250 worth of Audi's R8 bucket seats, and on the exterior we have the all-important wheel upgrade, which is the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic alloy wheels finished in the gloss black with a diamond cut outer edge, and of which they were a £1,750 factory option. Now, to add to this, it is certainly worth mentioning, with this being the carbon black edition, we have carbon fibre wing mirrors, we have carbon fibre air intake on the side, plus the trim just above. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, carbon fibre full spoiler, and lower down the rear aerofoil, really finishing that styling off very, very well. Accents of that are mirrored around the front of the vehicle with the lower apron. And as we head inside the vehicle, is where we're going to be able to list some more of the specification and view these absolutely stunning R8 bucket seats finished in the black leather, embossed with R8, as we can see just there. So, equipment levels on this vehicle, we have items such as heated front seats, we have a reversing camera, the virtual cockpit we see behind the steering wheel, which can be fully customised for all of its style and content. All of the ventilation controls in their bespoke design in the centre just there. And of course, being the carbon black edition, all of that carbon fibre on the exterior, that is certainly mirrored right around the interior of the vehicle, with various trims of carbon fibre across the dashboard, right down the centre console as well. We also have here the flat-bottomed multifunction steering wheel, the engine start-stop control on here, and various drive modes easily accessible, keeping both hands on the steering wheel. We have electric folding door mirrors, also full Bluetooth connectivity with a whole host of features that can be operated just by voice control. So, as mentioned, we are incredibly proud to be bringing a vehicle of this type and quality and history to market. And of course, if there is some additional information that you would like to know, please do get in touch and we can provide you with a personal video of the vehicle, or of course come back to you with all the details over the telephone. Now, here at AMT Specialist Cars, we specialise not only in some of the best vehicles that are on the market, but also we're able to assist each and every customer with a fully rounded service all under one roof. So be that any of your funding requirements, you can speak with our panel of lenders and search to get the best deal for you. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have warranty wires on hand to assist. And of course, keeping a vehicle looking like you see here, we have Autoglim's Lifeshine product, which we have fully trained personnel ready and waiting to apply that to the exterior bodywork, glass, and on the interior, be that leather or cloth upholstery. So thank you once again for taking the time to view this absolutely stunning car. Do hope you find the video informative. We'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations. So thank you once again, and bye for now.